Hello students, we were discussing about the chapter motion and time, and in our previous video we have discussed about the simple pendulum. Simple pendulum has a small metallic ball called the bob that is suspended from a rigid stand by a thread, and when the metal bob is at rest position, this is the rest position of the metal bob, and it is said to be its mean position, and when the bob is displaced slightly and released, it begins oscillating, moving to and fro from position O to A and then from A to B and then back from B to O. The bob is said to complete one oscillation when it moves from A to B and comes back to its position A, and the time taken for the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period. And it is interesting to know that the time period increases or decreases with the length of the string. Means if we increase the length of the string, then the time period will be increased, and if we decrease the length of the string, then the time period will be decreased. So today we are going to discuss about do some numerical based on the time period of a swinging pendulum. So first one is a simple pendulum takes 32 seconds to complete 20 oscillations. What is the time period of this pendulum? So the time period of the simple pendulum is given by the formula. Time period is equal to time taken divided by number of oscillation per second. So here the time taken is 32 seconds and number of oscillation is 20. So the answer will be 1.65 second. The second one is the time taken for 20 oscillation is 52 seconds. Find the time period of pendulum. Again we will apply this formula. Time taken to complete 10 oscillation is equal to 52 seconds. Time taken to complete one oscillation is equal to 20 oscillation. 20 oscillation. 52 divided by 20, and the answer will be 2.6 second. And the next one is calculate the time period of a simple pendulum which takes 15 seconds to complete 10 oscillation. Again we will apply this formula. So time taken to complete 10 oscillation. Time taken to complete 10 oscillation is equal to 15 seconds, and time taken to complete one oscillation is equal to 15 by 10. The answer will be 1.5 second. These are the simple numerical that are based on time period of a pendulum. Now the latest trends in measurement of time. The principle of simple pendulum is used in pendulum clock, and the oscillation of the pendulum control the movement of the hands of the clock. And a mechanical wristwatch, they does not have any pendulum, and instead it has a balance wheel which control the movement of the movement of the hands. And these days most of us use quartz clock and watches, and these watches measure time accurately, and quartz has a unique property of oscillating when subjected to a small amount of electric current. And in these watches, an electric current and a quartz crystals are placed in an electric circuit. The quartz clocks are more accurate than the pendulum clock, and for measuring a short interval of time, a stopwatch is used, and it can be made to start or stop with the help of a push button and is used to measure a short interval of time. For example, at sports event, it can measure 1/10 of a second, and nowadays digital watches are also available in the market. And these digital watches do not have hour, minutes or second hands. Instead, they display time in digits. For the most accurate measurement, atomic clocks are being used, and these clocks are based on the vibration of atoms for measuring time. It's all about the pendulum and the latest trend of in measurement of time. These are the assignment question. Watch the video, find out the answers. Thank you.